Snapchat has become a dominant force in social media over the past 4 years, with the app having over 187 million daily active users, with over 500,000 snaps being sent every minute. I wanted to get to the bottom of just how Snapchat became so popular. Snapchat was created in 2011 by a bunch of students from Stanford. One of the main causes of Snapchat's rise to popularity was the app's simplicity. It was a time-limited photo sharing application, and really the first of its kind. The simplicity of the idea appealed to a lucrative demographic of people, aged 18 to 24. This also coincided with other popular social networks, such as Facebook, starting to get lots of parents joining at rapid rates. Teens wanted something cool again, and Snapchat was the answer to this.
Instead, teens are flocking to Snapchat and Instagram, apps that emphasize cameras and disappearing videos and pictures.
Snapchat has often been seen to represent a new direction in social media, with its users, particularly millennials, craving a more in-the-moment way of sharing and communicating via technology.
It's social and it's a good media platform. So I think the slight difference here, it's become a powerful medium. During the elections, more people got their news, the millennials, more people got their news from Snapchat than they did from Facebook, according to one market estimate. So I think it is a very powerful medium. The fresh content being created every day, the engagement levels are as high as Facebook.
With less emphasis on the accumulation of an ongoing status involving the presence of permanent material, such as timelines and galleries. Instead, Snapchat put a focus on the ephemeral nature of fleeting encounters.
Now, the mobile phone has really empowered this idea of instant expression, which is really showing someone where you are and how you're feeling in the moment. And this is important as it relates to identity, because really that's one of the things that's at the core of social media. And accumulation was really about this idea that identity is everything I've ever done. So you have all the pictures of everything you've ever done, and that's who you are as a person. But instant expression changed that, because instant expression says my identity is who I am right now. It says I'm the result of everything I've ever done, but I'm not really the accumulation of all of that.
Snapchat managed to break the crowded market of social media. Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger all were offering similar features to Snapchat, but Snapchat's implementation of these features appeal more to teens. Features such as sending a message, photo, or video are all common across a lot of social media, but Snapchat implemented them in a different way, which appeal more to teens. The absence of having a public feed, reactions, embarrassing aunties commenting on photos is something that appeals to teenagers. Teenagers like this disguise and privacy, and Snapchat has been able to maintain its cool image through the use of Bitmojis, call features, and ever-changing Snapchat filters. Videos disappear, chats disappear, photos disappear. Snapchat's uncanny representation of real-life communication is mirrored through their app. Conversations in reality are never saved, they're always temporary. Snapchat takes this element and implements it. The human instinct of social interaction and knowing conversations won't be saved appeals to every user on the app.
Was to bring back the spontaneity and emotion and authenticity of communication that people have always had with their close friends.
This gives the app a unique advantage over its competitors. Of course, there is opportunity to screenshot and save chats, but this is made fairly evident to the recipient. To conclude, Snapchat's unique take on communication has brought it to the point it is today. With Snapchat, unlike Facebook and Instagram, there was a clear and identifiable line which was drawn between branded content and user-based messaging.
Of a social feed, you choose proactively whose stories you want to engage with. So for brands, that's a really important measure.
Why?
Because it means that the people that play a brand story are specifically interested in it. So you have to be a pretty strong brand, or you need to be telling some pretty strong stories if people are choosing to opt in to watch it.
Once again distinguishing the popular app from other social media networks, which typically have blended and blurred their different varieties of content. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.